So these are your closed chain shoulder mobility exercises. First one, scapular elevation and depression. You're going to start lying on your tricep and start to move your body down, up and over the shoulder, and then back. Just glide down and back, releasing any residual tension that might be hiding in the shoulder girdle. So once you've done about 8 to 10 reps, you can switch sides, coming onto the opposite arm. Again, the meaty part of the muscle that makes contact with the ground, not the bone. You're slowing down, up, and down several times. All right, second one, you are in a prone shoulder and chest stretch. Your top arm is straight with the elbow locked and you're reaching back as far as you can, making little circles. When your arm comes into that back range, the bottom arm that's closest to the ground should be feeling a stretch here. So we can go 5 to 10 in each direction with the elbow locked. And then eventually hold, reach back, open up that chest. Switching sides, looks like this. Straight arm locked, shoulder circles in either direction. All right, gunslinger to lotus. We start with the arms extended, making this grip here, pointer fingers extended, thumbs crossed, head facing down. Roll over onto the shoulder, park the arms underneath the body, elbows locked, come out the same exact way you went in. Make sure to end with elbows locked in full shoulder flexion. Now the shoulder that's getting impacted is the one that's getting rolled over. So a lot of times we hold residual tension in the anterior deltoid and pec minor, and that's basically manually pulping that fascia to release the residual tension and myofascial density. It's accumulated from bearing load in the shoulders and in presses. Opposite side looks like this. Here. Okay, here. One more time. Here. And last but not least, rear delts. Thread one arm underneath, palm facing, opposite palm facing the body. You're gonna roll your body weight on top of the shoulder, crown of head towards the floor. It's almost like you're in an active mountain pose. And then roll out. This is rest. This is the stretch. You want to press the bottom hand actively into the ground as you're doing this. If this arm is lax and not doing anything, you're not going to get as much of a stretch. So both arms active, one arm pressing down into the ground, one arm pressing across the body. Again, rolling over, activating both arms into shoulder pack, scapular depression, rest, and then work. Right, do these often, you'll start to see some changes in your shoulder flexibility.